Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen powder step by step. First, gather your core ingredients. You will need dried shiitake mushrooms, garlic, and ginger. Also, collect essential spices like white pepper and a pinch of chili flakes. Ensure all components are ready before you begin the preparation process for the best results. Next, we will roast our dried ingredients to deepen their flavor profile. Place the dried shiitake mushrooms, garlic, and ginger in a dry pan over medium heat. Toast them for approximately 5 minutes, stirring continuously. This crucial step brings out a rich, umami aroma, which is essential for a truly delicious ramen powder base. Now, it is time to transform your roasted ingredients into a fine powder. Carefully transfer the toasted mushrooms, garlic, and ginger into a spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder. Process the mixture until it achieves a very fine, consistent powder. This step is vital for ensuring the powder dissolves smoothly in your ramen broth. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and ensure proper storage. Stir in 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. You can also add a half teaspoon of chili flakes for a subtle kick. Mix thoroughly. Store your homemade ramen powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 3 months of freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.